Today I would like to teach you how to make gota, an Iranian pastry with only a few ingredients. 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of oil, half a cup milk, half teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of walnut powder, half cup of sugar powder, and 1 egg yolk. First, I add the milk, then the oil, egg yolk, baking powder, mix them with a mixer. Then I sift the flour. Again, I mix. I would like to add a little bit of rose water, but it's optional. If you don't have it at home, don't worry about it. After working on our dough for a few minutes, we cover it and leave it in the fridge for 1 hour. While waiting for the dough to get ready, I prepare these 3 ingredients. The dough is ready. We can start making our pastry. That's how I prepare the pastry. I take a small roll it in my hand and then mix that I just prepared, fold it, and voila! I laid the pastry on the parchment sheet and it's ready to go in the oven. Before that, I like to brush it with just a little bit of oil. Put this in the air fryer oven for 20 minutes and 250 Fahrenheit temperature. Take it out of the oven and it has a brownish color. I put the pastries in the remaining mix of sugar powder, cinnamon, and walnut powder. Roll it and put it aside. Decorate it with some pistachio powder. Hope you enjoy it.